This might go down as one of the worst defensive plays going on. 2 outs here in the top of the third, Pirates-Cubs. Javier Baez hits it right to the third baseman, Hayes. He's going to throw it over to first base. Why didn't the first baseman just tag the bag? Javier Baez sees this, runs back, and tries to get into, I guess, a little bit of a pickle. Then the toss in on home, he's safe. And it's funny the fact that Javi even did his little safe thing. He's able to go to first base, slides head first, makes it there in time. The ball gets away. He heads to second base. Now the throw into second base gets off the glove, and this keeps on going. This is ridiculous. This is like a Little League play. This is Major League Baseball for its finest. I guess I wouldn't say for its finest, but this has to be one of the worst, and I mean the worst Major League Baseball defensive plays that the Pirates have performed of all time. This could be going of all time. The fact that Javier Baez was able to hit the ball to third baseman throw it to first base. I think the first baseman, did he even realize there was 2 outs? You need to tag the bag on this play. You have to tag the bag because then the Cubs won't even score. The Cubs end up scoring on this play, and the fact that Javier Baez is going to trade positions with that the guy that scored on second base, he's going to be on second base after that, ridiculous. This should have never happened, and this is one of the worst defensive plays in Major League Baseball of all time. Let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe. Do not forget to turn on notifications. Have a good one.